नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली व नुसल्लिमु अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम व क़ुल रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम मौलाया सल्ली व सल्लिम दाइमन अबदा अला हबीबिका खैरिल खल्क़ि कुल्लिहिम। Respected teachers, honorable guests, my Muslim brother, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Quais. I study in class 4 and do Hifzul Quran at Markazul Ulum Al-Islamiyya Academy. Today my topic is what is Milad. As we write or read date of birth in English, similarly it is called Milad in Arabic. Ide Miladun Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam means to express happiness on the birth of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because Eid means happiness, for this objective, holding programs on large scale discussing the good behavior, elegance and qualities of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, commemorating the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Organizing processions of Miladun Nabi, whether in the form of Milad conference or trade conference. Actually, it is to tell the nations of the world that 12 Rabiul Awwal is that fortunate day when the world's benefactor came to the world. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, and a person who is born cannot be the God. So celebrating the Milad is to finish the shirk and to spread oneness of Allah. There is command in the Holy Quran that Qul bi fadlillahi wa bi rahmatihi fa bidhalika falyafrahu. O beloved, speak that people should be contented on finding Allah's grace and blessing. It is proved from this ayah that showing happiness on grace and blessing of Allah is his own order. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the blessing for all over the world, and Allah sent his prophet as mercy of the world. So to show every legal happiness on the birth of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is actually to act upon this ayah. So to celebrate Milad on the birth of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not lighting participate in the processions of Miladun Nabi by organizing festivity of birth, spreading remembrance of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is proved from the Holy Quran. It is also a reality that only believers are glad and happy on the birth of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But hypocrites and enemies do not celebrate this occasion. Rather, they get angry as the Iblis Shaitan did. निसार तेरी चहल पहल पर हजारों ईद रब्बिल अव्वल, निसार तेरी चहल पहल पर हजारों ईद रब्बिल अव्वल, सिवाय इब्लीस के जहां में सभी तो खुशियां मना रहे हैं। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलागुल मुबीन।